Hey there, fellow creators. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting topic to discuss, one that involves making videos with the help of AI and potentially earning unlimited rewards. Yes, you heard that right. We're going to explore how AI can revolutionize content creation and open up incredible opportunities for all of us. So, without further ado, let's dive in. Before we get into the details, let's quickly talk about what AI is. Artificial intelligence, or AI, refers to computer systems that can perform tasks that typically require human intelligence. It can analyze data, recognize patterns, and make predictions. Now, how does that relate to video creation? Well, AI-powered tools and algorithms can significantly enhance the content creation process. One of the key areas where AI shines is in video editing. With AI, you can automate repetitive tasks, save time, and elevate the quality of your videos. AI-powered video editing tools can automatically stabilize shaky footage, remove background noise, enhance colors, and even suggest creative editing choices. This allows you to focus on the creative aspects of your content and create videos that stand out. Now, let's talk about the unlimited earning potential. As you may know, YouTube offers various ways to monetize your videos. Through ads, sponsorships, merchandise, and more, creators have been able to generate significant revenue. However, with AI-generated content, the possibilities expand even further. AI algorithms can analyze data, trends, and user preferences to help you create videos that are highly engaging and optimized for maximum reach and revenue potential. For instance, AI can generate video ideas based on popular topics, keywords, and viewer demographics. It can even create custom thumbnails and titles that are more likely to attract clicks. By leveraging AI, you can gain insights into what content resonates with your audience and create videos that are tailored to their preferences. This not only increases your chances of going viral, but also boosts your potential for earning unlimited rewards. In conclusion, AI can be a game changer for content creators. It offers time-saving tools, enhances the quality of your videos, and opens up new possibilities for monetization. So, if you're looking to take your channel to the next level and unlock unlimited earning potential, it's time to explore the world of AI in video creation. Thank you for watching, and remember to hit that subscribe button to stay updated.